Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be doing some live product research. So if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Ali. Welcome to Daily E-commerce, and we talk about e-commerce on this channel every single day. I think you guys liked the last time I did some live product research. So what I'm essentially going to do is find some new stores that I can build for myself and for my students, and then essentially show you my process of exactly how I find these stores. And if you want my process of how I build them, you can go ahead and check out some of the links in the description. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. For most of you guys who know this, I do a lot of different types of product research, but I more so for the past few months just been relying on this one tool. The thing is, it just makes stuff easy, specifically if you know what you're looking for. All right. Now, what I'm also going to actively try and do in this research video is also show you why I don't pick certain stores and why I do pick certain stores. I think that's going to be really important when it comes down to showing you why I do what I do. All right. So whenever I'm getting started, as soon as I see something fashion related, that's an automatic no for me. Why? Because fashion products are difficult to sell. I mean, that's just the end all be all. Fashion is very trendy. So it could be in trend for a little bit of time and then it'll go out. It's size related. So you're going to be getting a lot of returns. And if you don't handle that properly, it's going to get disputed. It's tough to sell with the drop shipping model, and you need to have like a lot of creativity to be able to sell fashion products. You need to be able to advertise it really well, XYZ stuff like this used to work, but it no longer works now unless you have a really big ad budget and you can blast it, right? I mean, this is such a unique taste, right? How would this essentially work for everyone? I want a product that it basically works for every single person. All right. So that's why I normally typically stay away from fashion dropshipping products. And if I see stuff like this, I'm just going to move forward. Now, this is a little bit interesting. I'm just going to kind of mute this because I don't want when I play these ads to essentially see something. Now, look at this. Say goodbye to dark knuckles and feet. Okay, I mean, the ad is just so not made well. I'm just gonna go ahead and not look at it. Okay, surprise her with a perfect gift. Okay, this is basically another fashion product. Protein bar, fashion, AI fashion product. Not gonna do it. Now, for example, this is something that is right up my alley. Okay, already a lot of things that I like. Starting off, it's being done in one of the bigger economies, right? New Zealand, USA. Whenever I see ads being run there, that's good. Core core theory: edema, swollen leg, stiffness on your feet. Whenever I see somebody putting effort behind one problem solving product, right? That's something that I can get behind. Okay. A lot of people suffer from this issue and they have one product for a ton of people. Okay. So, what's the difference between fashion dropshipping versus regular dropshipping? Well, with fashion dropshipping, it's multiple different products from multiple different people. So, you have to spend a ton of money on ads to find the right mix. With this particular product, it's a ton of different people having the same issue and only one fix. That's going to give us some leverage. Another thing that I like is they're running about 199 ads. Now, the money maker is going to be if all of these 199 ads is for this particular product. Let's see. So if I click this, what happens? And this is why I like Winning Hunter. Again, I'm not partnered up with them or anything. I do have an affiliate link. If you guys want to support the channel, just click it down below. Perfect. This is perfect. Okay. It's a ton of ads, a ton of different ads, but it's all going to the same product. And another thing that I like about this particular product is the fact that it is um, a ton of different another it's drop shipping friendly. I'm sure I can find a supplier for this particular product. Okay, that's good. So now we have something. I'm just going to go ahead and save it. Now let's go ahead and actually validate this particular product. Okay, I'm just going to open up my notes app on a separate screen. I'm going to go ahead and save this particular business. All right, just give me 1 second. There's going to be a live video, guys. No real editing here, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and quickly save this. Winning Hunter research, and I'm just saving the link for further validation that we'll do after this video, because there's no way I can cover everything here. If you guys do want to see me do it like live and stuff, click some of the links down below, see how you can join my community. We go live in there every single week. Okay, cool. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I want to actually track how much money the store is making. So I'm just going to go click track store. Now take this with a pinch of salt. Okay, now I'm tracking a bunch of stores. I got to delete some, right? Or I got to move up. I'm just thinking I'll just move up on the subscription, because I kind of don't want to, I really don't want to let any of these go, right? Because all of these businesses I follow in some way, shape, or form, but whatever. I'm just going to delete like 5 for now. The ones that I think I can sort of go without, or I've studied it enough to the point where it's fine. Okay, now I've deleted 5. Now let's start tracking it. Okay, the core theory. The fact that they're going to an advertorial page already tells me that this is a business that I'm going to model. Okay, because essentially what they're doing with this particular business is they're not sending traffic to a Shopify store. I like when people don't send traffic to a basic Shopify store. Even if they're using Shopify, they've created custom pages. Look at this, 44K made. We're the only other person that's tracking this store. Okay. And it started tracking on October 3rd, and it's October 14th now, right? So in 2 weeks, it's made 44K, which means in a month, this is going to clear over 100K in sales. Okay. Now, again, take this with a grain of salt. Okay. Take this with a grain of salt. But let's go ahead and look at their Facebook ads now. Okay. This is going to show us everything we need to know on whether or not this is a product worth pursuing. 18,000 results. Okay, that's because some other businesses have been looped in. Okay, but David Langford, this is a hold on. This is another page that has been running ads about this particular product. Okay. Oh, this is a grounding well mat. Okay, we actually reviewed this earlier. Core theory. I want only core theory ads. So let's go ahead and see if we can find just ads for core theory, or what we're going to need to do essentially is going to go ahead and find them ourselves. Okay, hold on. Let's see what Winning Hunter has tracked for us. Okay, so I'm just going to go here to this. Okay, core theory does have a page, and we just have to click view page ads. Okay, so we go here. These are all the ads that they're running, but I want to see them on actual I want to see them on actual ads library, because there it is. This is what I was looking for. Okay, 81 results. That's awesome. 81 active ads tells me this is a very, very healthy business. The fact that it's been running since September also gives me good indication that it's a very, very healthy business. We just got tracked late. Okay, now let's take a look at 2 things. Where are they running traffic to now? Amazing. And where were they running traffic to before? Amazing. So their first ad and their last ad, both of them are sending traffic to this very same page. Okay, leading physical therapy expert, the fastest and safest way to ease leg and foot swelling at home. Look at this. So essentially, what they're saying they're out of stock. I don't get the play then. I don't get the play. They may actually be out of stock. Wow, that's crazy. They may actually not have inventory. Oh no, wait. They just, oh my God, this is so stupid. I think someone on their team has made a technical error, or is it just because I'm watching it on desktop and they only have it optimized for mobile? No, even on mobile, they have it out of stock. Why? Dude, that's so silly. That's so silly. Imagine they're making money even with a mistake like this where it says out of stock. That's crazy. Anyways, I mean, this just means that we can come in and crush. Okay. So, again, what they're essentially saying is the fastest and safest way to ease leg and foot swelling at home. Look at this. They're essentially, before I love businesses that do this. I love businesses that have a proven system to make money. Okay. And their proven system is send traffic to this page. Okay. And then educate customers on the product first and then send them to a product page. Oh, they are actually sold out. Then why are they running ads? This makes no sense to me. Maybe they're dealing with a stock issue at the moment, but that doesn't matter to us. Look at it, 525 dirhams, which is approximately 525 80 to USD. I'm in Dubai at the moment, so that's why it's showing me UAE prices. That's about 150, 149 bucks, I would say. So 149 bucks. Okay, now essentially, let's take a look at if we can source this particular product. Okay, let's go to AliExpress. Let's see if we can source this product. So I'm going to go to AliExpress, and then I'm going to quickly just sign into my AliExpress account if I'm not already signed. I'm already signed in, so not an issue. Okay, then I'm just going to go here, search with image, um, put this product in. Boom, there it is. So we can very easily source this particular product with AliExpress. That's awesome. That's awesome. This is a drop shipping product. It's been sold with the system. For some reason, they're running active ads to a page where they may have made a mistake. And I know what it is. Guys, I know what it is. On their Shopify, they forgot to update their inventory. This may just have happened today while we were checking it out. That's obviously it's happened to me as well, where I've had active ads going to a page that's showing out of stock, and then we found out and stuff. It's probably late for them. They'll wake up in the morning and they'll fix this. But for us, this is an awesome, awesome product. So now, what's my next step? Essentially, what I'm going to do, what my method of the method to my madness is, I'm going to go ahead and recreate this exact same page. Okay. And I'm going to create a white label version of it. Essentially, what that means is I'm going to allow myself and my students to basically launch this particular product in this very same style. Okay. My team has the expertise in building funnels and recreating images and copy with AI. We're going to go ahead and do all of that. And then we're going to allow you to import it into your Shopify account or your ShopFunnels account, and then go ahead and launch it as your own. We've done this for multiple different businesses. Actually, let me show you an example of what that looks like. So this is a business that we found last time we were doing product research. I was doing over $500,000 a month in sales, and then we basically just recreated it. We recreated the page, we changed out the branding, and we redid all of the images and text with AI. And now you'll see that you have a basically ready to launch version of the exact same store that's ready to use. And that's what me and my team do. We basically just go ahead and rebuild these businesses, but in a safe to use way. We change out the branding, we change out everything, and you can one click import these businesses into your account and launch. That's my premium program. It's called White Label Dropshipping, and it's in the link down below. And I think this is a perfect candidate for that particular business model. And there's a lot of things that I like. Okay. Number one, look at this, image ads going into uh if you can basically drive traffic with image ads and make money, how fast is this business scalable? Another thing that I like about this business is a transformation product. Whenever your business offers fast, quick, easy transformations, what that essentially means is, look at this, right? If you can just keep showing someone who had this issue, go to this, and if you can just keep showing this again and again, you basically have unlimited scale, right? You'll never have creative fatigue because you that's all you got to keep showing. You just got to keep showing different feed doing that. Plus, with AI, you don't even need actual people anymore. You could actually just create these images with AI. Obviously, you can have a lot of these AI actors essentially go ahead and show why this particular product is working so well, right? And you can use different AI tools to go ahead and create this. And so I love where businesses, we can have a ton of room to be creative. We don't have to rely on human influencers to go ahead and create videos. And I mean, just stuff like this where this is who you are, this is where you can get to, and this is what does it. If this is what you can use to drive traffic, amazing. Obviously, another thing that I like is, from all the 180 ads that I've tracked, sorry, the 80 ads that I've tracked, all of them are going to the same page, which means if I model their same page similar to how I model other businesses, I'm going to expect the same results, right? And then finally, the last thing is this is very drop shippable. We can go to AliExpress, we can source it, we can sell it, or we can go ahead, buy it in quantity, private label it, and sell it. Finally, another thing that I like is it's a $150 product, which means there's a lot of room and a lot of room and space for it. And one more thing is that on Meta ads, these type of businesses really work. They target an older demographic, which I really like. So this is a perfect candidate for white label dropshipping. I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit more research, validate it, make sure this is really good for you guys. And then when it's added, I'm going to make another video about how you can essentially launch it, and more specifically, what type of ad angles work, why this works, X, Y, Z, the whole 5 yards. All right. Well, I mean, I know that these product research videos are faster, right? I didn't spend much time and we found a winner, but look at my last product research video. I didn't find one. And I'm perfectly fine with not finding winners, because the point of product research is to do it every single day. If you guys want to do it with me, again, check the link down below. With that being said, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the short video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate each and every one of you. Let me know in the comments what else you'd like to see from me. Thank you. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.